What's up, beautiful people? I hope everyone's doing safe. Just took off the liner with these clips with that plastic piece or whatever, flathead screwdriver.
Don't use scissors, you'll fuck it up.
Yeah, don't use scissors, that doesn't work.
And you use a flathead.
Yeah, so we're gonna take these clips off. The one in the middle, one over here, and then there's one right there in the corner, and then the nuts over there is one nut on this side, and then one is over there, which I'm gonna loosen up using the pliers I have. You can use like this size. This size should work. You could be able to reach it if you have it at home. Don't go buy tools and stuff wasting like 40-50 bucks just to get it. Unless you're rich, then go ahead. So we're gonna remove this, bring it down. So we're gonna remove that stock spoiler. You guys wanted me to remove it, so there you have it. And I agree with you guys on the fact that it will look better. The duckbill spoiler will look better once this is removed. And your requests have been completed. So yeah, let's get to it.
I think you should switch.
Yes. So when we're taking off the stock rear spoiler, you want to start off over here. Can't see, there you go. It's this one, and then this one. This way you can take the pressure off the clips.
And there's another one over here.
Yeah, there's one.
I think we need to.
But that one comes off easily after. But you just gotta make sure you pull. As your friend does it, push the clips out. You gotta pull this outwards. Just kind of hold it, push, pull outwards, and then this way there's no pressure going towards like back in, so it doesn't click back in. Once two of the clips are out, then it's easy. The rest is easy, all that stuff. Just get this side out first. So here's the results, guys. The stock rear spoiler removed. I just gotta get rid of some of this, 3M, whatever. I'll just remove it with glue gun or something, clean it up. But yeah, I washed my car a few times. When I start washing it, this small, like this line, it'll come off eventually. But, and I did put, on the holes, I covered it with gloss black vinyl, so you cannot really see it unless you really look closely at it. But I do plan on wrapping the trunk at least, so it'll look a lot better once it's wrapped. Yeah, it looks a lot nicer, so thanks to you guys. There you go. Now I don't have to rear spoilers. The stock one is gone. Looks good. Looks a lot better. There you go. Yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, hit the notification icon, bell button, and comment below for more awesome ideas. And it rained, so that's why it's kind of watery over there. And then my friend who's there. I like his spoiler, but yeah, it looks nice on his. It's got his chrome delete and everything. That's about it, guys. Stay tuned.